Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So, spring has come or summer has come. I have some peach, so I made peach jam, and our family, the orange tree also start to blossom, start to harvest. So I put some orange. I squeeze the orange juice and peach, and some lemon juice. Yeah, all from our backyard. Now let's put it in. Put a little bit of water so it's not slippery. Now this will be noisy, and I do not like a lot of the skin of the peach. Now we take a look. So here is the peach jam, and there is a lot of skin. I want to blend this skin. So I do not like the peach skin. Blend it. Ready? So how refined is your choice? You can make it very refined or make it a little bit with some texture. So I will still leave some texture, so when you eat it, you feel a little bit crunchy. And at the very end, I put half tablespoon of this fruit jelly, fruit pectin, and this is a half, and I will combine with sugar, so it does not get into jellified immediately. This is blended with 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we can put it in slowly. The sugar will help it to blend in. That's about it. Oh, I see one piece of sugar not melted. And turn on the fire a little bit strong so that the sugar will be melted. Stir it. Okay, now it's good. I do not see any clump of it. And get it. I have put salt because to get the strength of the sweetness come out, you need some contrast, right? You want to get it sweet, so put some lemon juice, put some acidic citrus, and also we are on a citrus harvest time, so this is just perfect. And from time to time stir it, otherwise it will take too long time to get boiled, right? So simmer it, not in a rush, just let it simmer. And you stir it to avoid it becoming sticky bottom, right? And I have a disinfectant, desensitified. Anyway, what is the word? I have used hot water, boiling water, boil the cans so that it can keep for a long time. I will seal it and keep for a long time. And I do not want it to be too long time. It will be the daily use. What you can use for it, you can put salt, pepper, and soya sauce, and make a barbecue sauce, right? Barbecue with a little bit of your jam. It is a good thing. And it's not only for the sweet things you can put on top of pancake and yogurt, ice cream, and you can also just, it's quite a sihu-like. It's like quite a liquid, so you can drip it as a fruit condensed syrup. And when you do barbecue at the end, when the meat is already barbecued, put a layer of it and then put into oven an extra 5-10 minutes. Do not get it too much burned, right? And chili pepper jam, chili pepper sauce, just a lot of things you can do with it. Now I'm about to put into the bottle. I put into the slowest fire. Are we ready? Okay. You can still hear it, right? Uh-oh. The tripod is not very stable. Okay, now I am putting it in. We start from big bottle. Okay. And I do not need to wash it too much because I will clean it with my yogurt. Sometimes I drink it, I mean put in hot water and drink it as a hot tea, fruit tea. This one we put into this little one. Okay, the rest I will put in my yogurt. Still one piece coming out. One, two, this one, I will use the green one. Oh no, too small. This one. 5 of them. That's it. Okay, I will cool it. I will put into a cold water bath. Okay, it was in the cold water bath. You can go, you can go, you can go, you can go, you can go. Not using this one, you can go, you can go, you can go. And it's cool. I will put my yogurt in. The lower part, I will drain it to make drained yogurt. This yogurt is homemade yogurt, so good. See the yogurt. Perfect. Okay, this is the yogurt we are going to eat. This way we have no waste. Okay, let it stay a little bit. And we put some drained yogurt. This is a little bit too thin, and 1 spoon of drained yogurt to make it more delicious. This way it's not too thick, too thin. And if you want to make cream cheese, blend these with cream or without cream, and then pour some of your jam on top of it. We shall do it, right? We shall. So this is everyday yogurt, and then we will make a dessert cream cheese, okay? Cream cheese or drained yogurt, however you name it.